Question 34 is about transformer. So primary, secondary, recognize them. So primary is 500 turns, secondary is 2000 turns. So it is a step up transformer. The turn increases by 4, so the voltage also increases by a factor of 4. Okay, so this one is the subdivided, so input a primary. Okay, so the secondary should be 250 times 4. It will becomes 1000 volts. Okay, in the secondary. But look at the question. They talk about RMS current would mean square. RMS voltage so smaller one, but in the question given is peak voltage. So the secondary peak voltage is here. This is peak maximum. But about the RMS, you need to divide it by root 2, right? So the secondary voltage would mean square voltage will be 1000 over square root 2. So we need to rationalize the denominator, multiply by square root 2 over square root 2. The denominator becomes 2. So 1000 divided by 2 is 500. So it becomes 500 root 2. So what's the answer? Well done, you got it. The answer is B. As I say, you can, right? Good job. Thank you.